Advantage. Meaning. Advantage refers to a condition or circumstance that puts someone in a favorable or superior position, giving them a benefit or opportunity over others. Definition. Advantage is a noun that describes a factor or condition that gives someone or something an edge, making it easier or more beneficial in comparison to others. Examples and sentences. 1. Her experience in the industry gave her a significant advantage in the interview. Here, advantage refers to the favorable position her experience provided during the interview. 2. The new software gives businesses a competitive advantage in the market. In this sentence, advantage refers to the benefit or edge businesses gain by using the new software. Usage. Advantage is often used in competitive contexts, such as business, sports, or any situation where being in a favorable position leads to better outcomes or results.
English practice.